Ah! Oops, sorry. So guys, while Uncle talked about futures yesterday, and I talked about the 58.81 level, and as long as above 58.81, I recommend all of us to remain bullish because more upside is possible. I had a 59.30 target. We actually hit 59.30 in yesterday's candle and closed above it. So technically 59.30 is now the support level to watch. 59.30 is a fib level support to watch. As long as above, the same way I said yesterday, guys. The same way I said yesterday, 58.81, as long as we're above 58.81, we are bullish on futures. If you are in longs, hold on to your longs, stay long. If you're going to go short, wait till we break down 58.81. And you guys can see now in hindsight, remember when I gave you guys that advice, the trading idea, it was before the move happened. So now what I'm saying to you is 59.30 is the level to watch. As long as above it, stay in your longs. We are bullish and we can go up higher. If below 59.30 and it fails as support, that's when you want to cut your loss or possibly try to play some type of short or go, some type of bearish play. But 59.30 is the level to watch today, guys. As long as above, more upside is possible. Now, what target level would I be watching? I'd be watching, with futures and NASDAQ, I'm trying to give you guys levels, swing tradable levels, instead of focus on the level to level, $1.50, $2 increments. I'm trying to give you guys a little bit more than that. If you guys want me to do it, to give you levels on futures and NASDAQ the way I do it on SPY and Triple Q, just let me know in the comment section. I'm here to serve, and I got you guys. Otherwise, I'm going to give you guys more spread out levels. So 59.30 is the support, and as long as above, 6,000 and 6,014 are my target levels. Okay, 6,000 being that solid even number, but also that 6,014 level, right? That's that green trend line right there, 6,014. And you can see a couple times we treated that level as a support back in February. But when we broke it down as a support back in late February, it triggered a very, very nice move to the downside. And you can even see the later candles after that, it treated that same zone as resistant before pushing down a lot lower. And now we are just, we're pretty close to testing it. It's been a few months, but we're pretty close to testing it. And as long as above 59.30, there's a good chance we go hit that 6,000 to 6,014 zone. And obviously above 6,014 would be very, very bullish. We can talk about all-time highs. So that's the plan. Let's keep this simple, guys. Let's keep it simple. We focus on making it simple. It'll be simple. 59.30. Above it, stay long, stay bullish. Below 59.30, possibly a pullback back down to 58.81. And below 58.81, I have 58.44. That's a fib level and also where this up green trend line is. Obviously, if it breaks down, guys, below 58.44, bears would be in full control. Otherwise, still overall bullish. 59.30 is your pivot level for today. NASDAQ. The pivot level for NASDAQ to watch for today is 21,418. Okay, now we'll go back. We got to scroll to the left. And you can see back in early February, we had this level. This is low right here, which is around 21,418. And we treated it like support a couple of times early February and also towards late February. But once we broke it down late February and even retested as a resistance before pushing downwards. Now we are hitting that level once again. 21,418 is your pivot level for the NASDAQ today from your Uncle Chartist. As long as it's above that level, we are bullish. We are bullish and more upside is possible. I have a pivot level at 21,530. 21,530 clears, then up higher we can possibly go up to 21,800 and 21,968 and possibly even 23,000. Now below 21,418, I have support at 21,217. If that level fails, 21,073 would be in play, and below 21,073, I would favor a much deeper pullback down to 20,000 21,712, and then the uptrend line is around 20,460. So below 20,460 is when the bears would take back control. Otherwise, we are bullish overall still, and as long as above 21,418 and clearing 21,530 would definitely give us more upside. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, Uncle covers futures and NASDAQ for pre-market now, and I cover SPY, Triple Q, NVDA, Tesla, Coin in the VIX aftermarket. I love y'all. Peace.